Hi, I'm Ann Mooney. I'm a personal chef in Orlando and Winter Park, Florida. And I'm here today on behalf of Expert Village. And we're going to talk about risotto. We've already talked about the basic ingredients for risotto, and we have them all cooked over here. And we're going to continue our series of how to dress it up and what to do if you need to feed a whole bunch of people at the last minute. So we have our basic risotto recipe here, and we're going to make what I call Tuscan risotto. We're going to start off by adding a little flavor to this risotto with some garlic. Garlic always makes everything wonderful. So we're going to put in some garlic here. And then we're going to add some shredded chicken and some chopped olives. These are Mediterranean olives. They're mixed, all different kinds. So we'll put those in there. Add a little bit of more white wine. That's always good. Stir it up. And then I'm going to add some basil and a little pecorino cheese that I have here. And there we have a beautiful Italian risotto. You can see risotto's all creamy. There's everything in here you would need for a complete meal. We can finish it off with a little fresh basil leaves and some more shredded cheese. And there we have Tuscan risotto, a fine meal for anybody.